5 truths that hurt, but you need to accept them, because the sooner you face reality, the stronger and freer you become. 1. No one is ever too busy to reply or make time for you. When someone truly wants to, they always find a way. If they keep making excuses, it simply means you're not a priority. 2. A person protects, values, and invests in what matters to them. If they treat you with indifference or keep you as an option, it's because they don't see your worth. They see your availability. 3. When someone leaves your messages unanswered for hours or days, it's not about time, it's about interest. People always find time for what they truly care about. 4. Words mean nothing without action. Anyone can say, "I love you." But love without consistency is manipulation, not affection. 5. Between promises, excuses, and explanations, only one thing ever speaks the truth: behavior. Always believe in what people do, not in what they say. And here comes the most important part. Painful truths don't break you, they wake you. Once you stop chasing explanations, you start choosing peace.